Exercise 1.4, question number 2, 5, 6, 7. Question number 2. Verify that A divided by B plus C not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C for each of the following values of A, B and C. A equal to 12, B equal to -4, C equal to 2. In the place of A, B, C, substitute 12, -4 and 2 and then calculate LHS and RHS. Okay, LHS equal to A divided by B plus C. In the place of A, you substitute 12 divided by B plus C. B plus C means -4 plus 2. 12 divided by -2 equal to -6. Next, RHS equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. A equal to 12 divided by B equal to -4 plus A equal to 12 equal to C equal to 2. Here 12 divided by -4, -3 plus 12 divided by 2, 6. -3 plus 6 equal to 3. Here LHS -6, RHS 3. LHS not equal to RHS. Not equal to RHS. That means A divided by B plus C not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Next question. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. If it decreases at rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. Here after 12 noon the temperature decreases 2 degrees Celsius until midnight. Okay. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? At what time the temperature would be -8 degrees Celsius? What would be the temperature at midnight? First one, answer temperature at 12 noon equal to 10 degrees Celsius. Next, here after 12 noon the temperature decreases. Every hour temperature decreases 2 degrees Celsius. Then rate of decrease in temperature per hour 2 degrees Celsius. That means 2 degrees Celsius, that is a -2 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next, number of hours 12 noon to midnight. Number of hours from 12 noon to 12 midnight equal to 12 hours. Change in temperature in 12 hours. In 1 hour 2 degrees Celsius lowered, but 12 hours the change in temperature in 12 hours means what? 12 into -2 degrees Celsius equal to -24 degrees Celsius. Temperature at midnight equal to 12 noon temperature 10 degrees Celsius. Midnight, how can you calculate the midnight? Here 12 noon to 12 midnight the change in temperature is -24 degrees Celsius. That means what is the difference between 10 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius? -14 degrees Celsius. Temperature at midnight is equal to -14 degrees Celsius. Next one, we have to calculate the watt. One question also there. what time would the temperature be 8 degree Celsius below 0? Below 0 means what? Negative 8 degree Celsius. Okay. Difference in temperature between 10 degrees Celsius and negative 8 degrees Celsius. At what time the temperature be negative 8 degrees Celsius? What is the difference between temperature difference between 10 degrees Celsius and negative 8 degrees Celsius? 10 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius equal to 10 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius equal to 18 degrees Celsius. Next, number of hours required equal to 18 degrees Celsius divided by 2 degrees Celsius equal to 9 hours. Here, after 12 noon, 9 hours means what? Time after 9 hours from 12 noon means what? 9 p.m. Time after 9 hours from 12 noon. From 12 noon equal to 9 p.m. You can count from 12 noon to 9 hours. From 12 noon you count that 9 hours, definitely you can find out that answer 9 p.m. Next, question number 6. In a class test, 3 marks are given for every correct answer and negative 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. Radhika scored 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Here, every correct answer is 3 marks, every incorrect answer, one incorrect answer, negative 2. Every incorrect answer, 3 marks. Then next one, Radhika scored 20 marks. Radhika got 20 marks. If she has got 12 correct answer, but we have to find out number of incorrect answers. Okay, first you can write it, total score. Total score is equal to 20. Marks for 12 correct answer equal to 12 into 3 equal to 36. Marks for incorrect answers. Total marks 20. 12 correct answer mark 36. 20 minus 36 will get marks for incorrect answers. 20 minus 36 equal to negative 60. Marks for incorrect answers equal to negative 60. Number of incorrect answers. Number of incorrect answers equal to negative 16 divided by negative 2 equal to 8. Here number of incorrect answers equal to 8. Next one. Mohini scores negative 5 marks in this test though she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Here total marks, Mohini's total marks is equal to negative 5. She has got 7 correct answers. We have to find out the marks for 7 correct answers. Marks for 7 correct answers equal to 7 into 3, 21. Marks for incorrect answers. Negative 5 minus 21 equal to minus 26. Therefore, number of incorrect answers minus 26 divided by minus 2 equal to 30. 13 incorrect answers are there. Last problem. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach negative 350 meter? An elevator descends means what? Moving down into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. So, what is the meaning of rate of 6 meter per minute? Means its speed, elevator speed is equal to 6 meter per minute. In 1 minute 6 meter it will cover. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, present position of the elevator is 10 meter above the ground level. How long will it take to reach negative 350 meter? Here this is a ground level. Okay, this is the elevator. This distance is 10 meter above the ground level. It descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level. Here elevator descent into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach negative 350 meter? This negative 350 meter represent what? Below the ground level. This is below the ground level, negative 350 meter. What is the time taken to reach here? Elevator, okay. Then how will you find out this answer? First we calculate this is 10 meter, this distance is 10 meter, again this distance is 350 meter. You should add it together. Okay, 10 meter minus, difference means what? 10 meter minus 350 meter. That means 10 meter plus 350 meter equal to 360 meter. Then calculate this what time also calculated. First one, present position of the elevator 10 meter above the ground level. Next, distance moved by the elevator below the ground level. Equal to negative 350 meter. Total distance moved by elevator equal to 10 meter minus 350 meter. This difference between these 2 points, 10 meter minus 350 meter equal to 360 meter. Here one formula is there. Speed given, distance also given. We already learnt speed is equal to distance by time. From this equation we can write it time equal to distance divided by speed. Here total distance it travelled 360 meter. Total distance it travelled 360 meter divided by what is its speed? 6 meter per minute. Here 360 divided by 6, 60. Meter and meter cancel. Next minute, that means per minute means 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour.